Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Did you know you can grow a tropical guava tree right on your balcony? It's true! Imagine the delight of having your very own guava tree thriving in a pot, just a few steps away from your living room. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet suburb, you can transform your balcony into a mini tropical paradise. You can enjoy fresh, juicy guavas even with limited space. These delicious fruits, known for their sweet and tangy flavor, can be grown in containers, making them perfect for urban gardeners. Picture yourself biting into a freshly picked guava, the taste of the tropics right at your fingertips. Imagine stepping onto your balcony and plucking a ripe guava right from the branch. The satisfaction of growing your own fruit is unparalleled. Not only do you get to enjoy the freshest produce, but you also have the joy of watching your tree grow and flourish. This dream can be your reality with a little know-how and some simple gardening techniques. With the right care, your guava tree can thrive and produce fruit year after year. It's all about providing the right conditions and a bit of patience. Growing your own guava tree in a pot is easier than you think. Start with a young guava plant from a nursery and choose a large pot with good drainage. Guava trees love sunlight, so place your pot in a sunny spot on your balcony. Water it regularly, but be careful not to overwater. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step of the process. From selecting the right variety of guava to planting, watering, and fertilizing, we've got you covered. We'll also share tips on pruning and pest control to ensure your tree stays healthy and productive. Let's get started on your journey to growing your own tropical oasis at home. With a little effort and care, you'll soon be enjoying the fruits of your labor. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to transform your balcony into a lush, green haven filled with the sweet aroma of fresh guavas. Happy gardening! Guava trees are ideal for urban gardens. These versatile plants can transform even the smallest of spaces into a lush, green oasis. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a modest patio, guava trees can fit right in and thrive. They are compact growers and adapt well to containers. This makes them perfect for urban dwellers who may not have the luxury of a sprawling backyard. The compact nature of guava trees means they won't take up too much space, allowing you to grow other plants alongside them. This means you can enjoy these delicious fruits even without a large backyard. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony or patio and picking fresh guavas right from the tree. It's a delightful experience that brings a touch of nature into your urban lifestyle. Guava trees thrive in warm, sunny environments. They love basking in the sunlight, which helps them produce those sweet, juicy fruits we all love. If you have a sunny spot in your urban garden, it's the perfect place for a guava tree. Most urban balconies and patios provide the perfect conditions for them to flourish. The reflective surfaces of buildings can even enhance the sunlight, creating a microclimate that's ideal for guava trees. Plus, the cityscape backdrop adds a unique charm to your garden. Plus, their beautiful white flowers and glossy green leaves add a touch of the tropics to any space. The flowers not only look stunning but also attract pollinators like bees, which are essential for a healthy garden. The lush green leaves provide a refreshing contrast to the urban concrete. Growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. It connects you to nature and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Tending to your guava tree can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity, providing a break from the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a sweet, juicy guava you grew yourself. The flavor is unmatched by store-bought fruits, and knowing that you nurtured the tree from a small plant to a fruit-bearing tree makes it even more special. With a little effort, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of this delicious and nutritious fruit. Guavas are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making them a healthy addition to your diet. Plus, they can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies to desserts. Caring for a guava tree in an urban setting is relatively simple. Ensure the pot has good drainage to prevent waterlogging, and use a well-draining soil mix. Regular watering and occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer will keep your tree healthy and productive. Pruning is also important to maintain the shape and size of your guava tree. It encourages new growth and helps the tree produce more fruit. Don't be afraid to trim back branches to keep the tree manageable and looking its best. As your guava tree matures, you'll notice an increase in fruit production. The sight of ripe guavas hanging from the branches is a reward in itself. Each fruit is a testament to your care and dedication. Sharing your harvest with friends and neighbors can also be a joy. It's a great way to build community and spread the love of homegrown produce. Plus, who wouldn't appreciate a gift of fresh, homegrown guavas? In conclusion, guava trees are a fantastic addition to any urban garden. They are easy to grow, provide delicious fruits, and add beauty to your space. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, a guava tree can bring a little piece of the tropics to your urban environment. Selecting the right pot and soil is crucial for your guava tree's success. Choose a pot that is at least 15 to 20 gallons in size. This will provide ample space for the roots to grow. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Guava trees prefer well-draining soil. A mixture of garden soil, compost, and perlite is ideal. Compost adds essential nutrients, while perlite improves drainage. This combination creates a fertile and well-aerated environment for your guava tree to thrive. When planting your guava sapling, handle it gently by the root ball. The root ball is the heart of your young tree, containing the roots that will anchor it and provide the nutrients it needs to grow. Being gentle ensures that you don't damage these delicate roots, which can be quite sensitive during the transplanting process. Take your time and make sure you support the root ball fully with your hands. Dig a hole in the center of the pot, slightly larger than the root ball. This extra space allows the roots to spread out and establish themselves more easily in their new environment. The hole should be deep enough to accommodate the entire root ball without bending or crowding the roots. Use a small trowel to make the hole, ensuring it is evenly shaped and ready to welcome the sapling. Place the sapling in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. This positioning is crucial for the health of your guava tree. If the root ball is too high, the roots may dry out. If it's too low, the stem could rot. Take a moment to adjust the sapling so that it sits perfectly level with the surrounding soil. This will help the tree to grow straight and strong. Backfill the hole with soil and gently firm it around the base of the sapling. Use your hands to press the soil lightly, ensuring there are no air pockets around the roots. Air pockets can cause the roots to dry out and hinder the tree's growth. By firming the soil gently, you provide stability for the young tree while still allowing the roots to breathe and expand. Avoid compacting the soil too much, as this can hinder root growth. Roots need space to grow and spread out, and overly compacted soil can restrict this process. Lightly pressing the soil ensures that it is firm enough to support the tree, but loose enough to allow for healthy root development. Remember, the goal is to create a supportive yet breathable environment for your guava tree. After planting, water the sapling thoroughly until water drains from the drainage holes. This initial watering is essential to help settle the soil around the roots and eliminate any remaining air pockets. Make sure the water reaches the entire root system by watering slowly and evenly. The drainage holes will ensure that excess water escapes, preventing root rot and other water-related issues. Choose a sunny spot on your balcony or patio where the guava tree will receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunlight is vital for the photosynthesis process, which fuels the tree's growth and fruit production. A sunny location will ensure that your guava tree gets the energy it needs to thrive. Monitor the tree's exposure to sunlight and adjust its position if necessary to maximize its sun intake. By following these steps, you are setting the foundation for a healthy and productive guava tree. Remember, patience and care are key. With the right attention, your guava tree will grow strong and eventually reward you with delicious homegrown fruit. Happy planting! Watering and fertilization are essential for your guava tree's growth and fruit production. Water the tree deeply whenever the topsoil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, fertilize your guava tree every 4 to 6 weeks. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for fruit trees. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Stop fertilizing during the winter months when the tree is dormant. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape and health of your guava tree. Prune your tree during the late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Trim back any branches that are crossing or rubbing against each other. You can also prune to shape the tree and keep it compact. When pruning, make clean cuts just above a leaf node. This will encourage bushier growth and more fruit production.